post, a waterhen bird came to our house. See, this is the waterhen bird. This is the waterhen bird. And this bird is eating insects and fish. Mostly we can see in water. Now we are just leaving the waterhen bird.
Hen?
And I look for this way.
Now you're going to?
Now we are going to the lake.
Chule. Ayo soy pale. Imer soy pale, imer. Eh? Aw kakke din puro.
Going to Pawai Lake.
Nere utta?
हाँ. Now we are leaving the waterhen bird. Now we are leaving the waterhen bird. Oh. What about the cool?
What is this? Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Bye for now.